Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also send links to invoices you create in QuickBooks Online to customers as an e-invoice. To do this, you must first enable e-invoices in QuickBooks Online. To enable e-invoices in QuickBooks Online, click the Gear button and then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Sales Category button at the left side of the window to show your sales settings to the right. Click the Online Delivery section at the right side of the page to edit the settings. Then select Online Invoice from the Email Options for Invoices drop-down. Click the Save button at the bottom of this section to save the change, and then click the Done button in the lower right corner of the Account and Settings window to close it. After they are enabled, you can easily share an e-invoice with customers after creating the invoice. You must first ensure, however, that you have entered the customer's email address into the email field within the invoice. To send a link to an invoice from within the invoice window, click the Save and Send drop-down button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window, and then select the Save and Share Link command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the Share Invoice Link window that opens, you can see the link to the invoice, which is highlighted. Simply press the Ctrl+C keys on your keyboard if using Windows to copy the highlighted link. Alternatively, right-click the highlighted link and then select the Copy command in the pop-up menu that appears to copy the link. Then click the Cancel button in the window to close it. You can then paste the copied link into your email program, text message, or other program you use to communicate with your customers to send the link to the invoice to the customer. Alternatively, you can share an invoice link while viewing the invoice within the Print Preview window. To do this, click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar at the bottom of the invoice, and then click the Print or Preview command in the pop-up menu to open the Print Preview window for the invoice. You can then click the Get Link to this invoice command at the bottom of the window to show the invoice's link at the bottom of the window. You can then proceed, as previously shown, to copy and paste the link. When finished, close the Print Preview window. Another way to share an invoice link is by doing so from within the Sales Transactions list. To send a link to an invoice from within the Sales Transaction list, open the Sales Transaction list and then click the drop-down within the Action column for the invoice to share. Then select the Share Invoice Link command from the drop-down menu to open the Share Invoice Link window. Then proceed, as previously shown, to copy and paste the link. Then click the Cancel button in this window to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.